Hello and welcome to Flying Bobbins. I'm Liz, and today in this video series I should be showing you how to make the Cicadella Blouse by Maison Fauve. This is a really beautiful pattern. I've admired this pattern for a little while and I was really excited to make it as this month's sew along. So this will feature as the sew along for the month of December in the Flying Bobbins Sew Along Club. To get the full video tutorial, you simply need to follow the link below in the description below, and you can learn all about my Flying Bobbins Sew Along Club, where we make a new pattern every month. So like I say, this month, December, it's the party month, party season, and we're going to be making the Cicadella blouse. Now this is great as a party blouse, but can be worn all year round and suits a multitude of different fabrics. I've made my blouse here in a beautiful hammered satin that gives it a really luxury look. You could equally make this in a jacquard, a lace, a viscose, you know, any kind of woven fabric with a nice amount of drape to it would work really beautifully, and I think it will look just as good in plains as well as prints. Now with your pattern you do get a few different choices in the styling, so you can go for the long sleeve version that I've done here, but for the summer you also have a short and elbow length sleeve option as well. So you can wear this blouse all through the year and realise it in lots of different fabrics. Once you know how to make it, it's quite a quick project to whip up, just using 1.5 meters of fabric, and you can have a beautiful blouse to wear. And this one is great. It's made in the hammered satin. You can dress this up or dress this down. I think it would look really nice tucked into jeans, but equally worn with a pretty skirt for a more party wear look. Just to talk about the features, you have these princess seams here. In the pattern you get two choices of neckline finish. I've used the bias bound edge. You could equally use the facing, and the facing pattern piece also comes included in the pattern. You have a scoop neck at the front, and then at the back you have a slightly deeper scoop, so you get this beautiful kind of balletic feel to the design. The shape, it has some ease obviously throughout the bodice. It's quite a nice blouson fit, and you have this beautiful sleeve which features a gathered sleeve head and then this amazing shaped cuff. And I have just finished my cuff off with these really beautiful gemstone buttons that I absolutely love. They look so pretty and sparkly. So it really gives the blouse a beautiful finish. The blouse itself is then finished with a straightforward hem and just soft gathers going into that shaped cuff. So it's a really nice style, covering lots of different skills. In this tutorial we'll be talking about how to finish this blouse using a French seam technique so that all your raw edges get hidden, and that's really great if you don't want to use an overlocker, and it's perfect for lighter weight and even sheer or open worked fabrics. The Maison Fauve pattern comes in a size 34 up to a size 52, so that is a bust measurement of 80 centimetres up to 122 centimetres. You need about 1.5 up to 1.8 metres of fabric at your typical dressmaking width fabric of 150 centimetres. So as well as that you will need 6 buttons, matching thread, a bit of interfacing for the neckline and the cuff. And I actually used a Microtex or Sharps needle to sew this satin fabric with, just because it was that little bit more delicate and lightweight. So you don't need too many supplies, nothing too tricky here. The cuff, I would say, is the more technical element of this make, so if you are a beginner I would highly suggest making the short sleeve version first and then progress onto the longer sleeve with the cuff detail. So I can't wait to show you how to make this. Follow along with me step by step, share your progress, share your finished design. I can't wait to see how you get on. And if you do want to buy a kit for this, these are available at flyingbobbins.com in a range of 3 different hammered satins. as well as 3 different lurex viscose for a more sparkly look. So good luck with your make and see you very soon.